up this beautiful box with stuff in it. Oh.
C7 Viper.
Well, hello there. Today's video, it's a little different. I'm not gonna unbox something. Instead, I'm gonna use something I already unboxed. This is a Lancer Tactical AEG that I got out of the Modern Airsoft mystery box months ago. It's the Proline Gen 2 Enforcer Mod Alpha. Now, I showed you guys before, but I might as well just open it up again and show you. I'm gonna give you a brief overview of what I'm gonna be using. Ooh, okay, here we go.
Oh, this is Uggo.
You don't like this one?
No.
This is the Enforcer Proline from Lancer Tactical. I'm going to be stress testing this AEG as much as I can over the next few months. This is going to be a series. This is the first video in the series, and in this video, all I'm going to do is take it out of the box, take it onto the field, and use it in several Airsoft games. And the main reasoning we're going to test this out is because I've never used a Lancer Tactical before, but I only hear bad things. Everyone says, quality control's bad. They're always broken out of the box. I always hear people trying to dissuade newer players from buying these budget airsoft guns. And I want to test if that's all true. I do have a second Lancer Tactical AEG that I got out of a mystery box, and I may test that one as well later on. But today, we're going to focus on this one. And for every video in this series, this is going to be the test subject. We're going to see what the quality control is really like and what the Lancer Tactical can take, if anything, thrown at it. Or it being thrown, maybe. I should note before we start, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just doing this on my own so that you know you're going to get some honest answers. A real quick overview of this. It is primarily metal. The front M-lock is metal. The body's metal. It comes with a metal mid-cap. The only polymer parts are the flip-up front and rear sights and the stock, this strange Mod Alpha stock, which also has a spare magazine inside of it. Now, this magazine I wrapped in tape because when you put it in and you run around, the mag jingled. It's like a horse galloping. The tape didn't really do much, but I did use this past week in some games. I'm going to cut to that and let you see how this performed directly out of the box. No mods. I left the orange tip on. No upgrades. Just like it is. And I'm not going to do any upgrades or repairs on it until this series is over. We're going to see what's left of this thing. Now, in this gameplay, we will be playing Capture the Flag. There's one stationary flag in the center of the CQB town, and there's a blue and yellow flag. Each team has to try to raise their flag before the time limit runs out. I'm pretty much tasked with guarding the left. We're a 3-man squad against a 5-man squad, so it's 3 on 5. It's me and my friend John and my friend Earl against 5 other guys. None of them are kids. They're all full-grown adults. It should be a pretty even match. So here is the gameplay. Check it out, and then we'll meet back here at the end. Okay, today I'm only using Lancer Tactical. 80s. High cap. No, that's a mid. Alright, this is my first attempt at a torture test to a Lancer Tactical. I'm using this Lancer Tactical Mod A, and I'm going to see how much I can use it before it breaks, because everyone always thinks Lancers are garbage. We're going to find out. The whole thing is metal. Except for the stock, yeah. Everything's metal, the mag's metal, except for the stock. Polymer. Are you guys ready? Set, go! 15 on the clock. Get him, Earl. Okay, Lancer Tactical time. Well, first shot was a kill with this Lancer. I'd say that's pretty good. I'm concentrating. I didn't expect all of them. Another one down. I'm being really loud right now. You don't always gotta be stealthy. You just gotta be aggressive. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Green tower. Another one down. That's a tight angle. I'm gonna run out of luck soon. Okay, I like it so far. There's so many people. Coming in. Are they through there?
Nah, but they're definitely over up the side.
What was that? Thread that needle. I'm bored, I want to push. I'm pushing. I'm bored, I want to push. Time! Time's up! And then after all the gameplay, pew pew pew, gameplay, pew 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 pew, and then that time where I was like, oh gosh. Okay. Round 2 using the Lancer Tactical. I think it did pretty well the first time. How are we doing this? John, you going right?
Yep. I'm going in the middle, unless you went in the middle.
I don't care either way. You guys ready? Set, go! 15 on the clock. Let's do this. Oh! You're not shooting. Oh, yeah, you are. Are you all right? I didn't want to hit your face. Coming in. Okay.
I got two of the grenades.
I heard that.
They're right pretty locked in.
I'll fall back and go to the left. Mount it up. Gonna get some mounted kills today. Two down. Not a bad little gun. Three down. Is nobody coming this way?
You. I scared them off in my first home.
Time's up! Welcome back to the battle room. It's actually a patch room. As you can see, it performed amazingly. I did nothing to it. I didn't even set the hop up when I went onto the field. Probably should have. But you can see from the video, I had a 19 KD. I did not get hit once. That was probably on me, had nothing to do with the gun, but it did take out 19 people in 2 matches. I'd say that's pretty good. We also did 3 more additional games that day, but I didn't want to overwhelm you, and they were kind of repetitive. Did hit a lot more people with it, and it worked all day. There was no fatal flaws in the design. The quality control seemed pretty good to me. I did have to reload once. It was pretty easy. Just drop this, drop that. Now the tape I put on it made it a little tough to get in there, but it worked. Then you put your old mag in the back, just like that. Actually, my hand would be around this way, but you couldn't see it that well. So some of the things I really did like about this, the trigger, you got a blade trigger in there, and it was very responsive. I did use an 11.1 LiPo because I'm maxing this thing out just to see what it can handle. So why not? 11.1 LiPo. And the trigger response was great. It was throwing BBs as fast as I could pull that trigger. The stock was pretty comfortable. I liked knowing there was a spare mag there. Sometimes I don't wear gear. Knowing there's a second mag on my Airsoft gun, it's kind of cool to fall back on. The mag's a little jingly on the stock, but not too much. Once I added the tape, it helped a little. Nice little M-lock, pretty comfortable the way it sits. So far, I'd say it's looking pretty good. But the next video, that's gonna be where things get a little more interesting. I'm gonna do stuff just to see what it can handle. And I'm gonna leave some of that up to you. Leave me a comment. What should I do to it? Submerge it in water. Throw it off the roof. Hold the trigger down on full auto for 10 minutes. I don't know. You guys get creative. I'm not gonna do it all, but I'll pick some good ones. And we'll see what it can take.
What's the warranty like on that?
I have no idea. I don't see anything. Like on a G&G, it says the warranty right on the box. There's not even any paperwork. I'm not worried about a warranty anyway. So that's that.
I guess you don't have to be gentle with it when you're testing
Never. No gentle. This thing is not gonna get away that easy. Yeet. Like I said, guys, leave a comment below. What should we test? What should we do? Whee! Alright, that's it for this one. This is going to be the first in a series. I'm going to pick it back up in a few weeks, and we've got some fun things between now and then. So, like it if it made you laugh, because I will do it again. Don't forget, each and every one of you is my personal teammates, and I prove it by letting you decide how I destroy my gun. Find me on all the socials, we can chat, and until next time, boop. Oh man, I booped the gun instead of the camera. Just kidding. Boop.